Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make cake not stick to pan. First, generously grease your baking pan with softened butter or shortening, ensuring every crevice is covered. Next, dust the grease pan with a light coating of flour or cocoa powder, tapping out any excess. For extra security, cut a circle of parchment paper to fit the bottom of your pan and place it inside. This simple preparation is key to a perfect release every time. For a quicker method, consider using a baking spray that already contains flour. This provides an even, non-stick layer with minimal effort. Always make sure your pan is perfectly clean and dry before you begin, as any residue can cause sticking. Also, avoid overfilling your pan. Leave about 1 inch of space from the top to prevent overflow and ensure proper baking. These steps will significantly improve your cake's release. Once your cake is baked, resist the urge to remove it immediately. Let it cool in the pan for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the cake to firm up slightly and pull away from the sides. After this initial cooling, gently run a thin, flexible knife around the edges of the pan. Then, carefully invert the cake onto a wire rack to cool completely, ensuring it maintains its shape. If you've followed all the steps and your cake still seems a bit stubborn, try a quick trick. Place the pan in the freezer for 15 to 20 minutes. The cold can help the cake contract slightly, making it easier to release. Also, remember that investing in good quality non-stick bakeware can make a huge difference in your baking success. And hey, while you're perfecting your baking, why not make your car smell great too? Check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.